Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way. In today's project, I'm using this distress oxide spray on the watercolor paper. Then I'm going to heat dry it. So now I'm going to use distress spray stain, and I'm going to spray that on the same page, and then I'm going to spray some water. Then I'm going to use the heat gun and dry it. Then I'm using another color of spray stain, and then again I use the water and spray that. Then I'm going to heat dry it. Then I'm splattering some of these same colors. Now I'm going to heat dry everything. I'm going to stamp this Tim Holtz stamp. I'm using archival ink. Now I'm using another Tim Holtz stamp, and I'm using Versamark. So I used white embossing powder, and I wanted that perfect stamp to be embossed, but everything got messed up and it got stuck everywhere. So I had to adjust it by removing some of them, and then now I'm going to heat it. Sometimes it doesn't work out as we think, but it's okay, we can change it. So now I'm dabbing the Versamark and using embossing glaze powder, and I'm changing it a little bit. I'm going to heat it. It turned out okay, and did the same way on the other side. I still wanted that white on the top and in the middle, so it turned out okay, so I'm happy with it. So I'm going to heat this again. Now I'm using this stencil, and I'm using acrylic paint and dabbing it on the top. So I'm going to put the stencil on different areas and make it look interesting. Now I used red archival ink. And some more stamps I'm adding to that. So I'm going to heat now everything. Now I'm going to use white acrylic paint and splatter on the top. So now I'm going to stick this focal point, which I made it by the leftover paints, and then I had to draw it and then cut it. So now I'm going to put the coat. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below. You can also share it with your friends. I have posted the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So thank you for taking some time and watching my videos and subscribing. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate that. And I will see you with my new ideas and new projects in my next video. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.